see. How was I going to start this? I was going to start this. Hey everybody, Jack Coble here. I've got the reformer here. I have it set up on one spring, and the sequence that we're going to do is the stapler into the Flying Dutchman, and what's the best way to do that? And I'm going to go ahead and put the foot bar down, and I'm going to make sure that we're set here. Wait. So make sure your reformer's on, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. I have it set to 10, and depending on your apparatus, you might need to bring it up to 12, down to 5. It all kind of depends on the width of your handles. So here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the stapler. So we know that we bend our hands down into the stapler. From the stapler, we're going to put the handles on the hooks. As we get off, we're going to undo the spring. We're going to get onto the ground, push-up position. Then I'm going to get down on here. I'm going to roll under. And I'm in the position for the mechanic. 1, 2, 3. Right? Keeping my core tight the whole time. And of course, I'm gonna come out. I come up, I pick up the handles. I go directly into the back, directly into my Flying Dutchman position. Oh, I forgot to add the spring on. Darn it. I'm here. I come up. I add one spring, of course. And now I'm ready to go directly into the Flying Dutchman. And I mount. And I go into the Flying Dutchman. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, do you have a question? Oh, yes, you can come up and try it. Come on. Come on up here, ma'am. So you're going to go ahead and mount. Be careful of the power cord here. So go ahead and stand on there. Exactly. You're going to be squat position and up. You know, Flying Dutchman is, it's like the switchblade. It's a variation of the jackknife. Okay? Exactly. Perfect.
Okay.
Great. So that'll be on your test. And
is there any safety tips that we need to know for the test?
You can practice that at home. Yeah, don't fall into the well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Well, hold on. I need to unplug the reformer. There we go. It's cooling down now, so it's great. April Fools.